1. Which of the following is not a valid source option when configuring SG rules for an EC2 instance? A. Tag name for another EC2 instance. B. IP address for another EC2 instance. C. IP address ranges for a network. D. SG name used by another EC2 instance. Answer: A. Tag name for another EC2 instance. 2. An ORS cloud engineer signed up for a new ORS account, then logged into the account and created a Linux EC2 instance in the default VPC subnet. They were able to SSH to the EC2 instance. From the EC2 instance, they A. can access www.google.com. B. cannot access www.google.com. C. can access www.google.com only after they configure SG rules. D. can access www.google.com only after they configure Network Access Control List (NACL) rules. Answer: A. can access www.google.com. 3. Alice launched an EC2 Linux instance in the ORS cloud, and then successfully SSH'd to the instance from her laptop at home with the default EC2 user username. Which keys are used during this process? A. EC2 user's public key, which is stored on the EC2 instance, and the private key on the laptop. B. the root user's public key on the EC2 instance. C. EC2 user's public key, which is stored on the laptop. EC2 user's private key, which is stored on the cloud EC2 instance. E. EC2 user's symmetric key, which is stored on both the laptop and EC2 instance. Answer: A. EC2 user's public key, which is stored on the EC2 instance, and the private key on the laptop. B. the root user's public key on the EC2 instance. 4. www.zbestbuy.com is configured with VLB and ASG. At peak time, it needs 10 ORS EC2 instances. How do you make sure the website will never be down and can scale as needed? A. Set ASG's minimum instances equals 2, maximum instances equals 10. B. Set ASG's minimum instances equals 1, maximum instances equals 10. C. Set ASG's minimum instances equals 0, maximum instances equals 10. D. Set ASG's minimum instances equals 2, maximum instances equals 2. Answer: A. Set ASG's minimum instances equals 2, maximum instances equals 10. 5. A middle school has an education application system using ASG to automatically scale resources as needed. The students report that every morning at 8:30 a.m., the system becomes very slow for about 15 minutes. Initial checking shows that a large percentage of the classes start at 8:30 a.m., and it does not have enough time to scale out to meet the demand. How can we resolve this problem? A. Schedule the ASGs accordingly to scale out the necessary resources at 8:15 a.m. every morning. B. Use reserved instances to ensure the system has reserved the capacity for scale. Up events. C. Change the ASG to scale based on network utilization. D. Permanently keep the running instances that are needed at 8:30 a.m. to guarantee available resources. Answer: A. Schedule the ASGs accordingly to scale out the necessary resources at 8:15 a.m. every morning. 6. ORS engineer Alice is launching an EC2 instance to host a web server. How should Alice configure the EC2 instance's SG? A. Open ports 80 and 443 inbound to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. B. Open ports 80 and 443 outbound to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. C. Open ports 80 and 443 inbound to 10, 10, 10, 0. 24. D. Open ports 80 and 443 outbound to my IP. Answer: A. Open ports 80 and 443 inbound to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 7. An ORS cloud engineer signed up for a new ORS account, then logged into the account and created an EC2-1 Windows instance and an EC2-2 Linux instance in one subnet, 172.3.1.4.8.0.20, in the default VPC, using an SG that has SSH and RDP open to 172.3.1.0.0.16 only. They were able to RDP to the EC2-1 instance. From the EC2-1 instance, they A can SSH to EC2-2, B can ping EC2-2, C cannot ping EC2-1, D cannot SSH to EC2-2. Answer: A can SSH to EC2-2. 8 www.zbestbuy.com has a need for 10,000 EC2 instances in the next 3 years. What should they use to get these computing resources? A. Reserved instances, spot instances, on-demand instances, dedicated host instances. Answer: A. Reserved instances. 9. ORS engineer Alice needs to log into an EC2-100 Linux instance that no one can access since the ORS engineer who was managing it left the company. What does Alice need to do? A. Generate a key pair, and add the public key to EC2-100 using user data. Generate a key pair, and add the public key to EC2-100 using metadata. Generate a key pair, and copy the public key to EC2-100 using Secure Copy Protocol, SCP. D. Remove the old private key from EC2-100. Answer: A. Generate a key pair, and add the public key to EC2-100 using user data.
Our goal is to help you achieve your IT career goals and become a successful IT professional. We are constantly updating our content and adding new practice tests, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. If you have any questions, suggestions, or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below or contact us at najarstar@gmail.com. We would love to hear from you and help you in any way we can. Thank you for watching and good luck with your IT exams.